Okay, hey guys, it's Nikkee and I'm going to react to EXO. I'm going to react to their amazing vocals that was requested, and I'm going to react to White Noise plus Thunder plus Playboy. That's kind of scary. Plus Artificial Love. Okay, I'm going to start with the EXO White Noise plus Thunder plus Playboy plus Artificial Love. Okay, here we go. And go. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, body rolls for dick. Go, Kai. Okay. The vocals though. Ooh. Oh. Oh, I like this. I kind of like this song. Oh. Kai is cute. That's cute. I really like all their, they're all so cute. And here comes the rain. Oh, what was that face? I'm really into whoever's idea it was to make it rain on the stage. Thank you. Because that is fabulous. It just looks so cool. Oh, vocals. Oh, vocals for days. Oh. He's so cute. He looks really young. Him. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, I like this guy's voice. Hi. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah. What? Okay. Oh, what's that in your hand? Oh my goodness. Oh, who's there in the background? Oh, what is that? Okay. I like his red hair. Okay. What is this though? His face. Kai's face is just too much for people. For anybody that's alive. Oh. Is this... Okay, hang on. Okay, this is gonna be Thunder. I like to know the names so I can add them into my playlist later. Oh, we did it. That's cute. Oh. I wish I could sing like that, just playing games. Oh my goodness. Oh. Nope. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I like that. Oh, I can't do it. What is whoever choreographer, like whoever the choreography is, choreographer. I can't speak. Okay, go. Oh, oh, I like the beat. I like that the little noise. I don't know what those are. Oh my god. The runs that they do with their, that's ridiculous. Is that Lay? He's got, I don't know. Or is that one? Oh, dang it. They have similar eyebrows. That's the problem. I always know who this is. It's clearly, yeah. I like the snap sound. Oh, that noise. I like that. These people are beautiful. Oh, is this? Okay. Oh no. I'm gonna watch their individual guides. He's staring into my soul. What was that though? That wasn't necessary. Hey, wait a second. Didn't Jung-Yun sing this song? From SHINee? I thought I watched it. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Let me know if it's their song. Yeah, I've heard this song. They weren't singing it though, I'm telling you. Oh. Not knocked over the camera. Ooh. Nice guy in the middle though. Up there. That one. Is he Lay? I don't know very many of them by their faces, but I've listened to some of his. Maybe. Oh. Who is this guy? Oh. Come on, no, with the winking. The vocals, though. Your eyes. Oh, I like the way they did that. They really like look at you, you know, like that. They're much better at it. They gotta stop with Kai in the face, though. I cannot with his. Okay, what are we doing? Oh, they got canes. I don't know why I got so excited for the canes. Oh, this stage is kind of ginormous. I just wanted to. What is this? Okay. Who's the person that gave them canes? And then what is the? They like to grab the crotch a lot in these dancing. Like their choreographer is coming for your throat. Can't trust this. Okay. Go. Oh. He winked too. What is with the winking? They're just trying to kill people out here. Oh, I like how he did that. I like how he did this one, but then the other. What is this though? Hang on. What is this? What is it? Nobody told me about this. Okay, go. What is this though? I can't even like watch it fully, you know what I mean, without closing my eyes. It's too much. It's too much to handle. Don't play him. Okay, sorry. Don't do it again. Oh, this. I was gonna say that's cute, but then it got like real not cute there for a second. Go. Artificial lover. Oh, this guy's vocals though, coming through with the vocals. Oh, I like his attitude. This is very catchy. No. Who told them to do this? I just need to talk to you about it. Okay. Oh, they put it down. They put it down. Oh. What? Oh, I like that. Sorry. Oh. The vocal. Oh my god, did you hear him? No, what is going on? Ooh, the eyebrows. Oh, they got the canes back. I'm scared. Oh, shoulders. Body rolls. Oh, ooh. No. Oh, man. They got body rolls for days, though. It's like their whole body does it. The roll, but the body roll. Like their feet, everything. Oh. What are we doing? Oh, no, no, no. See, I can't do blindfolds. Ever since Jimin did it, I can't, which they might have done it first, but I'm just telling you. I don't know how much I can handle. Okay, go. Because I thought, oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh. And they're on, like, a platform. God. It's scary. Oh. What is this? Okay, this is Kai. Is the guy with him? Is he Lay? I love Kai's hair. Because it looks kind of like him. He looks kind of like him. What? That's rude. Okay. Oh. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, so that was great. I just need to like have a conversation with whoever decided that cane situation needed to happen because it was a lot. Okay, so we're gonna do their amazing vocals, recently updated. That's what it says. Okay, and go. The O. Ooh. Bacon. Okay. Chin. Oh. Lay. Ooh, I need to see his face. Where's he at? Oh, I can't see your face. Okay. Suo. Please. Sorry. Oh, okay. Zimin. Theo. I think I really like his voice a lot. Oh, his is so good. Baekhyun. I love him now that I know what his name is. Did you hear it? Chin. Okay. Oh. Goodness gracious. Oh. Let me see his face. That was him. I got it right. Oh, I like this song. Oh. Suo. I like his hair and his, yeah. Oh no. Chanyeol. Oh, he plays the guitar though. Oh. Sehun. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. I really like that. Oh my god, what? I like how deep his voice is, like when he sings. Okay, Kai. Oh. Bacon. Oh, is he got a mullet? Oh. That's a mood, that guy right there. Is this like a theater thing? What? Is he a vampire? Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay, he's definitely in theater. For sure in theater. Oh. Okay. Oh, Baekhyun. Oh. Oh. D. Oh, what about the freaking... Oh my god, he's really high right there. Oh, he's got like a soulful voice, you know? Lord, oh, what's this song? Oh, they can. Oh, Lord. Come on with the... Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. What the heck? Alright. Okay, so their vocals are ridiculous. Okay. I really enjoyed it, by the way. It was beautiful. I loved it. And I'm definitely gonna have to watch more of them to recognize more faces and everything, but I really like them. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye.